Hello friend, in this video I will discuss a most important result of limit and continuity. And the question is limit x tending to fx to the power gx equal to exponential limit x tending to a fx minus 1 into gx. So we have to proving basically the result number 4, okay, this one. So for proving this means this limit can be also written in the form of exponential, okay. So if you write LHS, okay, solving LHS, so we can simply write here limit x tending to a. Inside fx we can write 1 plus fx minus 1. That means we have to subtract and add 1 in this term, okay, and this is gx. Now we can multiply this term in power or divide both, okay. If you write 1 limit x tending to a 1 plus fx minus 1, and in power we have to write like this. That means 1 upon fx minus 1 into fx minus 1 into gx. So simply what we have done here, that means we simply divide this term and multiply, so the result is same, so we can write. So now if you assume that let fx minus 1 equal to y, if we assume this term is y, then the above limit will transform limit x tending to a 1 plus y. At the place of fx minus 1 we have to write y, okay, to the power 1 upon y into, we can distribute the limit with the property of limit, okay. So we can write here simply limit x tending to a fx minus 1 into gx. So we have the proven result in previous videos, as we can see the result number 3, okay. That means limit x tending to 0, x tending to 0, okay, 1 plus x upon 1 by x equal to e. At the case of a we can simply write this will equal to e also, okay. So this complete limit the value with the help of this property, okay. That means the value of this term will be equal to e. So e to the power, if you write e to the power limit x tending to a fx minus 1 into gx. So this will also be written as limit x tending to a fx whole to the power gx will equal to exponential limit x tending to a fx minus 1 equal to gx, okay. If you take minus sign here, question number 3, okay, in case of plus sign the value is e, and if you take here limit x tending to 0 1 plus x power with minus sign, so what we have to obtain, this is with negative sign, okay. So if we assume this y, okay, on taking log on both sides, limit x tending to 0 log of 1 plus x whole to the power minus 1 by x equal to log of y. So with the property of log we can write minus 1 by x log of 1 plus x equal to what, log of y. On taking on applying here, this will indeterminate form, that means 0 by 0 form. So we can apply here DL Hospital rule. So this is nothing but limit x tending to 0 1 upon 1 plus x, and the differentiation of x is minus 1, and this term will minus 9. This is log of y. On taking limit we have minus 1 upon 1 equal to log of y. So log of y equal to what, minus 1, and the base is hidden here, small e. So you can write y equal to exponential minus 1. That means we finally we can write limit x tending to 0, 1 plus x whole to the power 1 by x with minus sign equal to what? Exponential minus 1 or 1 upon e. So this result can be changed with negative sign if you take power with minus sign. Okay, so this is all about in this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.